was not asking for money, she was asking for lipstick. Check
Hello guys.
Hi.
We wake up at 5:30 a.m. just to go
Crazy.
just to go and click photo in a park before the sunrise. So
Very hot in the afternoon.
yeah,
Super hot, especially in Delhi.
so our eyes are not able to open properly because we haven't slept yet. So we are going to that place. I wonder how it is, and I'm hoping that the place would be beautiful. And we are dressed up very well.
Hot in
Matching.
yellow.
Matching suits again. So besties, we don't copy, we match, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Our auto driver.
तो बहुत सुंदर
How?
है वाह वाह दीदी का मेकअप तो बहुत सुंदर लग रहा मुझे तो
देखो देखो उसका मेकअप, ओह बहुत सुंदर।
दीदी दिस मेकअप मुझे दे दे
दे दूँ?
हाँ
देखो। ओह लगाओ लगाओ। वाव कितना अच्छा है।
मेरा मेकअप
ये संभालेगा?
Bye bye. The shock is that she was not asking for money, she was asking for lipstick. That's so cute.
Yeah, so cute. Nowadays they're not into money, they're into makeups and fashions. So I just gave my lipstick. I brought Titi lipstick in my bag. I give one. Let her enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Because she gave a compliment.
We love compliments.
We girlies, we love compliments. Look our hair. Oh my god, we can be a supermodel.
Guys, we cannot stop being delusional. That's the main point. That was a very crazy ride. Now we are heading to the park. Let's go.
Hey guys, we have reached the place and it's so beautiful.
But it's so weird.
Awkward.
Look at us.
We are in the entry. Like there were so many Japanese people and they were looking at us.
Staring at us like
staring at us. Maybe because we look like them. What do you say?
I don't know.
Or
Because
maybe because of our
their
dress.
sandals on.
Questionable.
Yeah, sandals.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god. This is stunning. This is amazing. I think that's the spot. We have found the spot.
Hi guys.
A quick outfit check. What do you think, guys? I think we look absolutely gorgeous. It's time for photo shoot. So we are having our own moment over here. I think this is the best idea to have photo shoot because in the noon it's very hot, but in the morning you can hear the birds chirping and the fresh air. It's totally amazing, guys.
Cute spot over there. So we're gonna click there. Oh, let's go. Let's go there also.
So tired. You know, a group of men came and approached her to just take a photograph of our model. It seems she looked like a Japanese.
Japanese. That's why only.
Wow, future Japanese
If
wife.
he knows that I'm Naka, he won't approach.
No, a beautiful girls. I mean, girl like you will always be approached. Look how beautiful she looks. Cute too. Everyone likes beautiful girls though. And here's the full video of our diva. Finally guys, this is our result. Let me know what do you think in the comment. And also thank you so much for the love and support you guys have been showering upon us. And bye bye, see you in the next video.